Hello children, now we will be playing a very interesting game. Who will come forward to play with me?
Ma'am, I'm ready to play.
Come on Revati, I appreciate you for being active in the class. Come on children, encourage her. Revati, now I will blindfold you with a cloth and give you an object. Are you ready to find what it is?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then, tell me, what does the object feel like?
It's soft and spongy, ma'am.
Very good. What does it smell like?
I am getting sugary smell, ma'am.
Well done. Great going. What do you think it will taste like?
Can I taste it, ma'am?
Sure, dear. How it is?
Yummy. It's bread.
Exactly, dear. You got it. Come on, children. Appreciate her. Okay, Revati. What you learned from this activity?
Ma'am, I understood that our senses help us to find out objects.
Very good. It is called observation. Our senses help gather information and we call it as observation. We have 5 senses. They include sense of sight, hearing, taste, touch and smell. In activity, Revati observed bread by touch, smell and taste. Different parts of the body sense different things. Shall we have a look? Eyes give sense of sight. Ears give sense of hearing. Hands give sense of touch. Nose gives sense of smell. Tongue gives sense of taste. All these 5 senses join together to observe our surroundings. Why is observation important? Observation skills are important to figure out how we are doing. For example, while walking, we have to observe surroundings. Otherwise, we may fall down or we may hit by someone. Like this, we need observation skills in every aspect of our life. While playing, we have to observe other players to play effectively. In classroom, observe what teacher is explaining to improve your knowledge levels. Observe your health by maintaining healthy food habits. Observe the people around you to understand them better and to maintain good relations. Keen observation makes you more aware and smarter. Children, are you ready to improve your observation skills? Here is a picture. Find out the differences. And one more activity for you. Describe the sense that body part carries out. Then list an example of something that is sensed by it.